Who or what is an entrepreneur? That is a question I used to ask myself when I was starting my own business venture early on, which was primarily related towards adding value to my family business. I used to define entrepreneurship as an act of sacrifice, where I created value for other people, making their lives easier at the sacrifice of my time and effort. This course has, however, given me a deeper understanding about the ways of being an entrepreneur. Specifically, the three definitions of an entrepreneur, as mentioned in Week 1 course materials, where we derived entrepreneurship to be of either Schumpeter, Knight, or Kirzner ideology. Joseph Schumpeter defines entrepreneurship as someone who is creative or innovative. Frank Knight places more importance on someone who can bear uncertainties of profits and losses. And Israel Kirzner establishes an entrepreneur to be someone who perceives an opportunity and acts on it. Developing my understanding of innovation, I was introduced to the framework of innovation in my second week of learning, where we distributed innovation into three different types, starting with product innovation, which is the act of creating new products or also improving existing products with key additions. Next, we have process innovation, which is the act of creating or improving processes which we use on a daily basis. Finally, we have business model innovation, which is the act of creating new business models for both goods and services. With these three different types of innovation mechanisms, we expanded further into the concepts of design thinking and hybrid entrepreneurship. Design thinking is a tool attributed towards defining specific steps for innovating a product or service, where we started off with empathizing with our customers' behavior to understand a problem. Subsequently, we moved on to define the problem, further leading to ideation for solutions, prototyping said solutions, and finally, testing the market for product fit, which decides if it requires further innovation or is good to go. Hybrid entrepreneurship, on the other hand, is the act of creating new business ventures while being occupied with other business activities which may or may not relate to your innovative idea. Coming back to my starting statement, where I mentioned the act of creating my own business venture, which was separate but a correlated idea with my family business of real estate. I started a facility management services company in 2020, where we provided facility services relating to both technical and non-technical operations of different kinds of industrial and commercial assets. During our initial startup phase, we encountered multiple issues, primarily relating to process innovation, where we wanted to innovate existing industry processes in order to create more value and efficiency for our customers, while also decreasing our cost. Once the company had a clear vision of the path it wanted to take, we incorporated the element of design thinking to the problems faced by our company, and found the majority of the problems to be the consequent action of using traditional practices. Enabling newer technologies to my company, we inculcated the use of enterprise resource planners and engaging in sublinking of all process on a technical platform. And this improved our overall company function and attributed towards better company profit.